to run away to safety, this could be trouble. How to attack the white king. This may be an example of failure because the rook's promotion will be delayed. The rook is staring at white's king. Play this move instead. Advance the silver to the front. This is double check. This silver move makes double check. White plays king to 4-2. If black plays rook to 5-3 promotes and attacks like this, it may give white a chance to recover by playing gold drops 3-2, because white has a gold in hand. Black wants to have a definite move in this situation. It will be nice if there is a definite move. It is not rook to 5-3 promotes. Of course, it is not silver to 5-3 promotes. Black plays such a move, white's king runs away and reaches a safe area. This is an unpreventable attacking move that wins the game in this situation. Do you want to try to guess what it is? Black has a gold and a silver in hand. This is out of the question. If you play something like this, there is no way you will go beyond beginner's level soon. Well, black plays silver drops 2-2. This is the right move in this situation. This is an excellent move. If white plays gold takes 2-2, this will be checkmate because there is nowhere to run. If white takes this silver, it will still be checkmate with gold drops 5-2. So, silver drops 2-2 is an unpreventable move that guarantees checkmate in the next turn. In the next lesson, we will study white's pawn to 8-4 formation instead of the pawn to 8-5 formation. Good afternoon, everyone. Toshio Miyata presents the two-piece handicap silver tandem strategy. This is the 8th lesson, and this time we will study how to attack white's pawn to 8-4 formation. In the last lesson, the shape of white's formation was pawn on 8-5. This time, the shape of white's formation is pawn on 8-4. So move this pawn back. Many of you may wonder if there is any difference between the position of a pawn at 8-5 and at 8-4. However, the difference is actually a big one. In this case, black also plays rook to 5-6 instead of pawn to 4-4 or rook to 2-9. This is the right move. It seems there is no difference compared to the previous lesson. Although it seems the same, it really isn't. In the next move, black plays pawn drops 7-6 to be able to capture the gold. Black will have a big advantage if he or she can take this gold. So white has to prevent that from happening. White plays knight 6-5. If black takes this knight, white recaptures with a gold. In this case, black is supposed to attack the gold, but white uses this gold to counterattack, just like we studied in the previous lesson. This is bad. Keep this in mind. If black takes the knight, white takes it back with a gold, and this makes a preemptive attack. Thus, black plays pawn to 6-6, and white has to take the knight. White plays knight 7-7 promotes. Taking it with the bishop seems good, but black takes it with the gold. Of course, black aims at pawn drops 7-6, or knight drops 6-7 in the next move. Black's next move will be knight drops 6-7, or pawn drops 7-6. Take this gold. Now, white plays pawn 6-5, just like in the previous lesson. It is not good to take this pawn. If black takes it, then white recaptures with the gold and threatens to capture the rook. Now black uses the knight, just like in the previous lesson. You probably say this is the same move as last time. Black plays knight drops 6-7. Then black can take the gold and check the white king in the next move. This is a big advantage. If white plays silver to 6-4, black is still able to take it by playing knight to 7-5. Thus, white moves the gold. This makes the golds knock head-to-head. We refer to clanging silvers, but there is not such a similar term as clanging golds. Takes it. Black plays gold takes 6-6. And white plays pawn takes 6-6. Now, if black takes it with the bishop, then white will drop a gold. This is bad. Black may play bishop to 8-4, but this is not favorable, and it is not time to give the rook to white. It is better to take it with the rook. So, white plays pawn drops 6-4. Up to this moment, it is the same situation on the board as white's pawn to 8-5 formation discussed in the previous lesson. However, from this point on, it will be different. As in the previous lesson, if black plays pawn drops 6-5, white takes it, and black takes it back with the rook, then it will be the same again. There is no breakthrough for the rook because black cannot play rook to 8-5 this time. This time, pawn drops 6-5 does not work against white's pawn to 8-4 formation. When the formation is pawn on 8-5, there is pawn drops 6-5. Then, how about this case? In the pawn on 8-5 formation, white has a move that is able to capture the rook. However, in the pawn on 8-4 formation, white cannot capture the rook yet. There is no worry here because black can play rook to 8-6. So let's try pawn drops 5-5. If white takes it, black recaptures with the knight. If white moves one square to the side or back, black can drop a gold that can capture this silver. Thus, white cannot take this pawn. If white plays gold drops 6-5, black moves the rook to 8-6. There is no worry about this. It is going to be okay. White plays king to 7-3. At last, black can successfully capture the gold. Black takes it, and then white takes it back. The rook's movement is restricted right now. When this happens, there is no choice but to use the rook somehow. Smart move. This move allows black to use the rook. Well, black plays pawn to 6-5. If the pawn stays at 6-6, white plays knight drops 7-4, which threatens to capture the rook. This is not good. So, to prevent this, black plays pawn to 6-5. Take this. Take it with the silver. This is good offense. Black plays silver to 5-5 or rook to 5-6. White's defense is too weak because white does not have a gold to defend against black's attack. This is a great success. This is the way to attack white's pawn on 8-4 formation. This time, black plays pawn drops 5-5, not pawn drops 6-5. This is a critical point. Takes it with the knight. This is important. This is good enough. This is the trick of a successful endgame. A target is this silver that defends the king. Attacking this silver is the best way. It will be difficult to attack white's king directly, but the point of the endgame is to attack the king's defending pieces. This lesson uses almost the same attacking tactics as the previous lesson. However, I assume everyone understands the difference between white's pawn on 8-4 formation and the pawn on 8-5 formation. This lesson may be a bit difficult, so the next lesson will be a review in more detail. Good afternoon. I, Toshio Miyata, present the two-piece handicap silver tandem strategy. Today, I would like to present the second part of how to attack white's pawn on 8-4 formation. Like the last time, I am going to review the situation on the board, just in case. In this situation, there are many moves, such as pawn to 4-4 or rook to 2-9, but rook to 5-6 is a better choice. This rook deployment is not a new strategy, so let's say this is the silver tandem rook to 5-6 version. This is the goal. Black targets the gold by playing rook to 5-6. Black plays knight 7-7. Black uses rook and knight to attack the gold. Of course, it is best if black can capture the gold using a pawn. There is no better move than this. White uses the knight so as not to let black take the gold. I will repeat this over and over. Black takes it and white takes it back. Then white threatens to capture the silver. In this case, black cannot win this game. Black should pay attention not to fall into this situation. It is not a good idea to take pieces just because they can be taken. Please be careful, because it is not an effective way to play against an advanced player. So, black should play pawn to 6-6. White plays knight takes 7-7 promotes. Normally, it would be desirable to take this with the bishop, but black should take it with the gold in this case. The point is to attack white's gold at 7-5 by using this gold. Black's gold is to attack white's gold. Take it with the gold. There is no need to worry about this knight attack. Move the gold now, and then black aims at pawn drop 7-6 in the next move. So white plays pawn to 6-5. Of course, black drops a knight, as in the previous lesson. This knight move is very beneficial. In the next turn, black can take it and also make check at the same time. This is an excellent move. Black plays knight drops 6-7. White plays gold takes 6-6. For white, there will not be a situation where this gold is taken with a pawn or a knight. If white takes this with a pawn, black takes it back with the rook. This is the same situation as in the previous lesson. So this time, let's drop a knight first. White plays knight drops 6-4, which threatens to capture the rook. If black is careless and takes this, white takes the rook. The situation becomes very favorable to white. It is almost game over. Shogi is the kind of game in which one move can turn the game around. So please be careful, even if this is a two-piece handicap game. Move this back. Black plays rook to 5-9, not rook to 5-7 or rook to 5-8. This is the best shape for black's formation. This position for the rook is the best position, and not only in the two-piece handicap game. White takes this. White plays pawn takes 6-6. Of course, black takes it back by playing bishop takes 6-6. There is no worry if white drops a pawn, but there is a reason to be concerned if white plays gold drops 6-5. White uses not a pawn, but a gold. That is a steady move. If black plays bishop 8-8, then white plays... Let's think for a second. White plays pawn drops 6-6. This increases the strength of white's defense. This is a losing pattern for black. For example, the situation on the board may become like this. The crucial area in the silver tandem is the left side area, although it is bad to let white promote a pawn. It will be easier for white to go inside black's area because black lacks pieces to defend the left side. If the situation becomes like this is not good because white can easily get inside of black's area. This is a typical scenario in the two-piece handicap silver tandem strategy. Thus, black has to prevent white from getting an entering king in black's area. Everyone probably noticed already that black plays bishop takes 8-4 if white plays gold drops 6-5.
そうですね。皆さんもお分かりと思いますけども、8四角ですね。
Move this to aim at white's king. White does not have a good defensive move. White plays pawn drops 6-6. Of course, black should not pay any attention to this kind of attack. There is no need to defend. There is a faster move. There is a much faster move than white's pawn drops 6-6. Black plays bishop to 5-1 promotes. If white plays pawn takes 6-7 promotes, the next move will end this game. Do not think. There is no need to think in this situation. This game is over because this is a one-move checkmate. This is a great success for black. However, I do not think that white does not see this one-move checkmate. A knight cannot be used effectively in this situation. This is good enough for black. White may hold on tenaciously by playing like this, but black can take many of white's pieces. Playing like this should be okay. If white takes it, black plays gold drops 7-4. If white does not take it, black can play promoted bishop takes 7-4. This is a good situation for black. Some of you may still confuse the difference between white's pawn on 8-4 formation and the pawn on 8-5 formation. Please set up a shogi board in pieces to understand the difference if you are still confused. This is an important part. Black takes this and plays rook takes 6-6 if white takes it back. If black takes it with the bishop, white will play gold drops 6-5. This is not favorable. White plays pawn drops 6-4. Just like we studied in the previous lesson, black has to play this, not here. Against white's pawn on 8-5 formation, it is a good move if black plays pawn drops 6-5, because black aims for the rook's breakthrough and promotion. But in this case, black will end up losing one move. This will make the situation complicated. Black plays pawn drops 5-5. This is a good move. If white takes it, black takes it back with the knight. From now on, it will be an endgame. But white plays gold drop 7-3 in order not to be defeated easily. In the next lesson, we will study this kind of endgame. White uses a gold to defend and plays tenaciously. The question is, how should black play to checkmate white's king? Fortunately, black has enough pieces in hand. So, everyone, please look forward to the next lesson.